Warning, the initial condition of my keyboard may cause horrendous offense to viewers.
Hi everyone, I'm Kev, and after staring at this eyesore for long enough, I decided to give my Razer Blackwidow Elite a good clean, so I thought why not show you how I do it. If you work or play in an environment with lots of electrical items, then the dreaded dust's always going to be a problem. So as I mentioned in the title, apologies if this mess offends you. It offends me too, to be honest. Now when cleaning, I prefer not to remove the keycaps as it's pretty time consuming, so fortunately this model's keys are pretty raised, which makes life so much easier. So first thing to do is make sure the area around you is clear of dust, as it is going to resettle faster than you can remove it, unfortunately. The tools I'm going to use for this job are this soft bristled car detailing brush and a flat keyboard brush. Then these alcoholic lens wipes for streak-free scrubbing, any generic aerosol spray duster, and also this battery-powered keyboard vacuum, which is pretty cool. And then of course a proper vacuum for some added muscle. The first and most obvious thing to do is to give the keyboard a good shake upside down, all over the floor that you've just vacuumed. Sorry about that. Then it's straight in with the muscle to get rid of any loose debris. Use the brush attachment and try and run the bristles in a line between the keys. And then reach any nooks and crannies. With fast motion, it helps to work things loose. At this stage, the keyboard's not going to look that much better, but bear with me. Don't forget to flip her over and give the underneath and the sides a once over as well. Now you need to get right in there with the keyboard brush, in between and underneath the keys, but use the vacuum still to catch all of the dust that you jar loose. This is the stage where it pays to be thorough and take your time. In case you've left any loose dust behind or any settled back, give the whole thing a blast with the air duster. You can get into all the small gaps with the straw attachment, but just be sure not to shake the can while you're spraying and keep it upright to avoid the expulsion of any unwanted moisture. Grab your detailing brush because you really need to get stuck in now. Leave no gap or crevice untouched. Try and ensure you tackle every key from every angle, which may take some time, but it's important. This is a good time to break out the wipes. So give the main body a good going over first, that's the largest surface area, so you'll notice a big difference here. Make sure you wipe every single individual keycap rather than just a general wipe over. Then you need to pull the wipe underneath the edges of all the outer keys. And relax and watch as the alcohol evaporates in a therapeutic manner. If there's any moisture left in the wipe, great, but if not, break out a new one. Flip the keyboard over and just give the feet a quick wipe, including the expandable legs as well, and then just get in there with a detailing brush to clear out any remaining dust. Now you've destroyed all the remaining dust, I've yet to find a wipe that doesn't leave tiny fibres behind, so grab your detailing brush and just get rid of those. Now we move on to the battery powered keyboard vacuum, which I swear sounds like it's going to explode one day. But it's actually quite a decent little device. I'll stick a link in the description below as well as all of the other equipment I've used in this video in case you're interested in picking them up. This particular device just stores the dust on a little filter inside, so when it's full you just wash it. To finish off, give the cable a wipe, dry or damp, and don't forget that sexy green Razer USB plug.
Oh yeah.
And here you have it, job done. Here are some before and after shots so you can compare the difference. It's quite a well used keyboard, so I wasn't expecting a fresh out of the box appearance, but I think you'll agree it's a marked improvement on its original state. If you have enjoyed this video, why not consider subscribing and dropping a like? Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.